Second day on the trail, time to break camp again.
Getting everything to fit and make everything look good is the problem.
Pancakes, eggs, for everybody. No matter how good the meals have been, today's has to taste better after the first day on the trail. The first day on the trail was fun, but... Tell me about how sore you are.
Where do you want me to start?
It's painful. It's really painful. But of course, some were in better shape than others.
Wouldn't miss it for anything.
How sore are you?
I'm not sore. I've been riding for 3 months straight.
Yeah, after spending a day on one of these, you'd expect to be a little bit sore. There were a couple more serious injuries, though, broken hip and a broken shoulder, but 2 riders out of a couple thousand really doesn't sound that bad. And the medical team says the riders may have survived what could prove to be the worst day.
I think it'll get better as the week goes on. I think everybody will get their bugs ironed out. It won't be bad.
Okay.
I think that perhaps it'll be worse today or tomorrow because people are over secure with their horses that don't have the experience and will take more risks.
And everybody's ready for day 2. Traveling with the wagon train, I'm Pattie Corrigan reporting for the news station.